invitation from my friend from Tibidabo. He's turning 100 years old and he's invited me to his celebration. Woo!
100 years old? Wow, I can't even imagine what kind of present to give for this occasion.
Don't worry, I already came up with an idea. Tibidabo is far, far away and my friend adores paintings. That's why I'll paint something special during my trip and give it to him. Oh, so many pencils. They won't fit in my suitcase. What should I do?
Sammy, I've got an idea. Don't be sad. We can easily DIY something like a travel case for all your stationery right now. Come on.
Yay! I'm coming, Susie.
Hi guys. Today we'll help Sammy be able to take everything he needs to paint a picture while traveling.
Cardboard? Sue, are we going to make another organizer?
We are, Sammy, but it's going to be pretty unusual. Your travel case for stationery will be as light as can be, and it will have a shape like this.
By the way, guys, on our channel you can find a lot of videos about how we made different organizers. Wow, that's a lot of fun!
Uh-huh. We need to make our travel case neat and bright, right? We'll use some glue.
Haha! Make way, Susie! Guys, you should always be very careful with the glue gun.
Thanks, Sammy. I'll take it from here. Bring me some paint, please.
I'll bring all of my favorite colors.
Now we'll carefully place this cardboard template right here and press a little bit. Great! Then we'll use more glue on this side. Don't be stingy with the glue. We want our construction to be sturdy. Guys, now we'll attach one more piece of foam. It should look a bit like a sandwich. Done! As you have already guessed, we'll need 2 of these pieces.
Did you miss me?
Sammy, you keep scaring me today.
I brought you the most beautiful paint colors that I could find. But don't use all of them, Sue. Or I won't have any of them to take on my trip.
I won't, Sammy, I promise. Guys, this will be the front part of our travel case. Let's make it look outstanding.
It looks tasty!
And that's it! Awesome! Now let's deal with the zipper. Since we're making a travel case, it should be able to close well.
Oh, Sue, I can't wait for my journey to begin. It's been a while since I went somewhere that far. I hope they're waiting for me there.
If I were you, Sammy, I'd start making a list of what I should take with me right away. I like being prepared for everything in advance. Don't you guys? Then give us a thumbs up.
Oh, you're right, Sue. I've got to start packing. Stop! Where's my Nutella?
Sammy. Okay, guys, this is what I've done with the zipper. It is sort of surrounded by foam now. Our next step will be attaching it to the front part of our future case, like this. Now comes the back part. As always, guys, be careful with the hot glue. Apply it straight to the edge of this piece and attach it right here.
Wow, Sue! My pencil case is turning out so cool! Sue, you know how much I like lots of compartments, right?
Oh, please, go wash your face, little sweet tooth, before you get the crap dirty. Of course I know everything about Sammy, that's why I have this little outside pocket, guys. It's pretty much made the same way as the main case was made, but it only has one cardboard foam side. Let's glue it. We'll attach it to our case right here.
Okay, I'm clean. Are you happy now? Wow! I like this backpack, Sue, but don't you think that it's kind of too big for my bag?
You're still getting my idea a bit wrong, Sammy. Could you bring me a pencil?
What do you mean I'm getting something? What's that?
We'll use hard cardboard this time. We need to make a hole in the middle of each wheel for the chassis, but be very careful with any sharp objects, guys. You can always ask an adult to help. Now we gotta make the same openings in the foam circles.
There's the pencil, Susie. I also brought the sharpener just in case.
We don't need it this time. Today, we'll use the pencil as the chassis. You see? But first, we need to finish with the wheels. Let's glue the colorful pieces of foam onto these cardboard circles from both sides. Done!
Sue, did I do everything right?
Wow, Sammy, you're a mind reader. All that's left to do is to attach the wheels to this piece from both sides. And the chassis is ready.
Susie, let me do something else for you. I feel guilty that you're helping me. And I can't even take you with me as a +1 to that celebration.
Don't be, Sammy. You know that I'm always glad to get myself busy with another craft.
Of course, I know what I should do.
What? Sammy? Guys, I guess we'll be right back.
Susie, there, these are the stands.
Oh, take a breath, Sammy. Thank you. Guys, check out what Sam made. These stands are thick enough. Let's put them in their place.
They were made the same way as the wheels. I just used a couple of extra layers of foam.
And you did great. Basically, all that's left to do is to make a handle for our case.
I've got it covered. Welcome, one perfect handle from foam.
Sammy, that's not what I was talking about. Although this will come in handy. I meant that in order to be portable, our case really needs a folding handle. We'll make it from 2 bamboo sticks and 2 popsicle sticks. Fly and run, all done.
Was that in your magic spell? I'm an expert in that. Allow me, Susan. Checking in and checking out. Our craft's the best, no doubt.
Sammy, your magic is something. Am I right, guys? Then give us a thumbs up and we'll continue. Sammy, how's your packing process going, by the way? Are you planning to take a lot of stuff with you?
A hat and sunglasses are all I need there. And that pencil case, of course.
Oh, Sammy, you're the readiest slime I know. Guys, we've made this thingy from foam, and now we need to glue it right here. It'll block the handle from falling out. We'll do it this way. It all works! Terrific! Okay, our travel case is pretty much ready. Wanna see how it looks from the inside?
Wow, I like it, Sue. There's a lot of space in here. Everything should fit inside. I think it's time to go get my stationery. I have a long list of things.
Oh, really? How long is it? Well, then we'd better make a few adjustments right now. And hop! Perfect. Let's attach a piece of foam, bent like this, right here. Great. Now we have even more space in here.
Here's everything that I plan to take, Susie. Please don't tell me that I have to leave something behind.
Oh, I won't, Sammy. Check this out.
Wow! What will we place in between those little thingies?
Let's try this. Perfect. Now we can glue a white strip of foam on the top of these little dividing thingies. There you go. Guys, we need to make a few cuts right now. Be very careful with scissors. You should try to cut the foam right in the middle of each little space.
We like working with foam while making different crafts. You can check out the videos about that on our channel.
Oh, that's right! And the final cut. Done. Just look how easy it is to put a pencil in this place. And take it out when you need it.
Let me fill this compartment. It took me a second. Looks awesome.
Great job, Sam. But let's take one more tiny step to decorate it. Why don't we speed up a bit? Just check out how much stuff we fit in here.
Wow! So awesome, Sue! All my markers are in here, and we actually even have some space left!
Not for long. Some Post-its might come in handy.
They're so colorful and bright! That's my favorite part!
We can also place something right here. I thought maybe card holders. Done! A few final touches.
Do you like it, guys? Then give us a thumbs up! By the way, Sue, wanna know what I like the most when we're making different organizers?
That you have fewer chances to lose your stationery?
No! That you can get creative and decorate your organizer in any way possible! Am I right, guys? Oh, I'm so funny and smart!
Oh, you're totally right, Sammy. Getting creative is always the best. And one more thing. Done! I almost forgot to show you what's inside this little compartment. I even made a small magnet place here, so now you have a spot to keep your paper clips.
You outdid yourself this time, Sue! Let's check out this travel case for stationery one more time!
Sammy, what do you say? Will this case be enough for your trip?
Are you kidding, Sue? It turned out so awesome! Just the thing I need for my short-term trip!
By the way, I never asked when you're leaving.
Wow, his birthday is in 3 days! Oh no! I haven't even booked the ticket, Sue! What should I do?
Relax, Sammy, we'll do it right now. Guys, I hope you liked our video today. Join us on our channel. Bye-bye!
See you soon!